Hey everyone, friends, it's Weller here. Today I'll show how to play music through your PC's mic. First, we'll download the music we need. Free MP3 music, yeah. For example, I'll go to Pixabay, download, and now I've got a track. Yes. Next step, go to Steam or another service to get SoundPad. Download it. There's a free version or buy it for $3. There's a free demo version available. Now we add our music here. Just drag it in and it's ready to play. That's it. It'll play through your microphone. Go to settings to configure it. Select your microphone under device. There it is. I'll click apply and it'll play. That's all. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later, everyone.